How much are you paying a month for this car?
1390. Hello.
Hey, what's going on, brother? How are you? This is Yusuf at Auto Cafe in Miami, Florida.
Hey, what's up, man?
I'm looking at your trade information here. You have a Scat Pack that you want to trade in. So tell me a little bit what you got going on.
Got a 2022 Challenger Scat Pack. Got it around a year ago. The mileage, not the greatest, but it's around like 96,000 for the mileage, and I owe about $55,000 on it. And I'm just trying to find a way to kind of get into something that's better on fuel economy because I'm doing like Uber Eats and Lyft sometimes, and sometimes Amazon delivery. I just got the car because I really liked it. But
your payoff here, you do know you're paying almost $35 a day on interest on this vehicle. Did you know that?
Oh man, when you say it like that, it does sound like a pretty crazy money, but it kind of balances out with all the delivery that I do for Amazon and Uber Eats.
How much are you paying a month for this car?
About $1390. Just the car payment, $1390, and insurance on top of that.
So just for perspective, you're paying almost $1,000 a month based on this finance charge accrual per diem, just in interest. Your principal hasn't been eaten down and you still owe so much. Look, how's your credit so far? How's your credit right now?
Better credit nowadays. I got a 687. I had my mom co-sign it.
What kind of car are you looking for?
Something good on like gas, Toyota, Nissan, something either hybrid or just, I like luxury, but I just know they're probably the best on gas.
How much do you make a month?
About $2,400.
Well, you only make $2,300 a month or a week?
$2,300 a month. But I don't have a lot of bills. Bro. It's just my car payment, my insurance, and my phone bill. And I live with family. So.
Look, man, with 96,000 miles, your Scat Pack's probably, I can give you, if it's in good condition, you do have 2 accidents on it. A lot of miles. I mean, you're almost at $30,000 in negative equity. How much money do you have down right now?
Maybe like $5K, man. I didn't think it was going to be that much negative equity. 2 accidents?
Yep, 2 accidents.
I only knew about 1.
Look, I mean, the only thing I can do for you is probably try to get you in a cheaper car. The issue is have another open auto. But the problem you're going to have is you're limited to your income, number one. Number two, you have so much negative equity, I can't roll over this vehicle into a different car. And even if I could, which I can't, you would have an extremely high payment. You'd be paying more than $1,400 a month. And you can't refinance because your car is worth $24,000-$25,000. And if the bank sees that you owe $55,000, their loan to value wouldn't cover how much you owe, so you'd have to still put a down payment on that. I know there's a lot of negative things and no, but I wouldn't invest in buying a car to go do Uber Eats or Uber or Instacart. The reason is because you're volunteering your equity, your wear and tear on your vehicle to a company that's making a service charge off of you. They're making more money off you than you're going to make off them. Yes, you may be able to pay your bills and make an income with Uber Eats, Instacart, but these tech companies aren't reimbursing you for wear and tear. They're not, reimbursing you for the negative equity or the depreciation that happens on your vehicle. So, I mean, if you do want to do that, I say get a car underneath $10,000, and that way you can stomach a $200 payment and you can come out on top. Put yourself in a tough situation, man, unfortunately. But look, let me send you a credit app. Let's see if we can get you into a cheap car and, kind of take it from there. And
got you.
From there.
Will do.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate you, man.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.